we are new lights with a lot of advantage. Now I'll introduce to you. Our this new lights, we can easily take the hand down and very easy also put it on. Anyone you can do it. The hand, light hand, you can smoothly, you can move this. It's so easy, so easy. And the hand of the light you can turn on. It is very, very easy. And this, we have a 4 option: 10 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 80 degrees. Color temperature, we have 3000 K, 4500 K, and 6000 K. Whatever you some special order, we can follow you.